Hello and welcome to the daily number workout. Today we're working on third grade, the number 40. So let's write the number 40 in word form. 40. And since this number ends in the ones place with a 0, it is an even number. So let's get to our factors. So let me get that on the picture. You're all getting uppity here. Stay in place, you. 1 times 40. That would be 1 times 40. And I find my factor pairs like this because down the road, we're going to use this system. You'll use this system later to find factors for when you're trying to find the greatest common factor between two numbers. So that's something you'll be hearing in the near future. All right, 2 goes in because it's even. So 2 always goes into even numbers. 2 times 20. So that would be 2 times 20. 3 does not go in. 4 goes in 10 times. 4 times 10. And then 5 goes in 8 times. 5 times 8. And then 6 does not go in, 7 doesn't go in, and we're done. All right, so we have our factors of 40. Let's go for addition. So I'm going to write it out here. And if you did not have this done, you can be catching up a little bit here, but I'm just going to quickly write these out. And as you can see, I wrote where I shouldn't have. So I'm going to do 40 plus 9 and 40 plus 10. All right, here we go. 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 plus nothing is 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. 4 plus nothing is 4. 0 plus 3 is 3. 4 plus nothing is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 plus nothing is 4. 0 plus 5 is 5. 4 plus nothing is 4. 0 plus 6 is 6. 4 plus nothing is 4. 0 plus 7 is 7. 4 plus nothing is 4. 0 plus 8 is 8. 4 plus nothing is 4. 0 plus 9 is 9. 4 plus nothing is 4. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 1 is 5. And you can check your work by counting. And if it counts in order, you've got it right. All right, we're going to do subtraction next. I'm going to move my paper up so I have room to work. So we're going to start with the 50. And we're going to put it here, 50 minus 40. Let's go ahead and work that one. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. 49 minus 40. 9 minus 0 is 9. 4 minus 4 is nothing. 48 minus 40. 8 minus 0 is 8. 4 minus 4 is nothing. 47 minus 40. 7 minus 0 is 7. 4 minus 4 is nothing. 46 minus 40. 6 minus 0 is 6. 4 minus 4 is nothing. 45 minus 40. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 4, nothing. 44 minus 40. 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 minus 4, nothing. 43 minus 40. 3 minus 0 is 3. 4 minus 4 is nothing. 42 minus 40. 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 minus 4, nothing. And 41 minus 40. 1 minus 0 is 1. 4 minus 4 is nothing. So we're done with our subtraction, moving right along to multiplication. So I'm going to move my paper up. Hopefully you're checking your work and you've done a great job. So let's do 40 times 2. We know 1 times 40 is always going to be itself. 1 times any number is itself. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 4 is 8. Let's do 3 of them. 4 times 0, or I'm sorry, 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 4 is 12. And 40 times 4. So basically we're multiplying just the front end and always adding a 0. So 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 4 is 16. 40 times 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 4 is 20. 40 times 6. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 4, 24. 40 times 7. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 4 is 28. 40 times 8. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 4 is 32. 40 times 9. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 4 is 36. And then 40 times 10. So we drop this 0. And then we say 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. And we get 400. All right, our multiplication is done. So we've done addition, subtraction, multiplication with the number 4D. Now we're moving on to measurement, feet, inches, and yards. And we're utilizing fractions to find their equivalents. So if we have 40 inches, we're going to convert that into feet. And the way we do that is we make an improper fraction. This is one way. There's many ways to do this, but this is the way we're doing it with the number workout. So we're going to say 12 over 12 plus 12 over 12 plus 12 over 12. Now that's 36 plus 4 over 12. So that's 12, 24, 36, 40. 1, 2, 3 whole feet and 4 twelfths. So 3 and 4 twelfths feet is the same as 40 inches. Pretty tricky, huh? All right, let's move on to yards. We know it takes 36 inches to make a yard, and we've got 40. So we have, breaking it down, 36 and 4, 36. So we have 1 whole and 4 36 of a yard. Boom. Pretty good. All right, let's move on to our metric system, centimeters, decimeters, and meters. So if we have 40 centimeters, we know it takes 10 centimeters to make a decimeter. So we're going to put all 40 of these over 10, and we're going to break it up to find out how many decimeters we have. Oops, so this is supposed to be an equal sign, sorry. So this would be 10 over 10 plus 10 over 10 plus 10 over 10 plus 10 over 10, which equals 1, 2, 3, 4 whole decimeters. So 40 centimeters is the same as 4 decimeters, which is the same as 40 hundredths of a meter. And we're done. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.